Hi guys, let's do unboxing. Sabrina sent me a package for my birthday. So, let's do unboxing. Come with me. And actually, I already opened this. So, this for my 60th birthday. Here we go, guys. Ooh, what do you think? What do you think this is? Oh, Cheerio. Let's see here. Actually, we have a great vacation for her success Bachelor's of Science in Psychology. So we celebrated her success and also we celebrated my 60th birthday in Myrtle Beach. So I got home, I got a package from her. Let's do this. Ooh, beautiful color. Kind of pinkish brown, pinkish bronze or and guess what? What do you think? So, oh, it goes round. So, lift it up. Oops. And oops. Oh, it's very strong. So, that and we need a muscle. We need a muscle for this. You see? You see? Oh, it's right here. Like that. So, I can put my laptop here. And while I'm doing streaming or watching YouTube, I can turn it around. And let's try it. Let's do this. Let's try it. Laptop right here. Put it right here. Perfect. So while I'm doing streaming, so I just turn it around. Perfect. It's beautiful. So I get this. See how dark I am? I'm very dark. I'm burnt. So thank you, Sabrina. Ayan. Thank you, Sabrina, for wonderful, wonderful laptop stand. And it round, so it just so see, it's easy to turn. So actually I received two gifts. So that's one. And I don't think I keep the box. So I threw the box away. Because I saved, before I used to save a lot of boxes. But now I don't think. Oh, look, the second one. The second one. Oh, laptop bag and protector. Protection, yes, laptop bag. That's what I need because every time I travel, I put my laptop in the box, in the original box. And she said, Mom, you should have this and that. So she ordered for me as a gift, matching color too. With that pen. Ayan. That's our unboxing. So, here we go. turn, and then we can put the bag in here. We can put the bag. We can put this laptop. Look at my laptop. It's very skinny. This is Microsoft Surface Go Pro. Go. See, so skinny. So I can put it right here. Zip it up. And here we go. I don't need the box anymore. And my desk. So I put this one. Thank you, Sabrina. That's all, folks. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. This is Rosalena. Our channel with G Chamuo Kanati Matan. 8/8/2025. Bye.